In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is working properly. If you want to stop typing, you can pause or use this button to turn on or off voice typing. Like that. If you want to delete your text on the go, use this button on the right. If you want to access settings of a voice typing option, click on this gear on the left and operate all of those however you need. To go back to standard keyboard, from here, you can go back and launch it again, or simply click at the top left corner on this little arrow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!